Fixing Adobe Photoshop exit code 6 and exit code 7 errors, installation issues and how to get professional help. What are exit code 6 and exit code 7? These are common installation errors when installing Adobe Creative Cloud apps like Photoshop. Exit code 6. File permissions or extraction issues. Exit code 7. Missing or incompatible system components. Common causes. Exit code 6. File permission errors, improper file extractions. Exit code 7. System incompatibility, missing libraries, or outdated OS. How to fix. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your system meets Adobe's minimum requirements. Check your hardware specs to make sure it's compatible with Adobe Photoshop. Step 2. Run installer as administrator. Solution. Right-click the installer and choose Run as Administrator to avoid permission problems. This prevents access issues during installation. Step 3. Clean up previous installations. Solution. Use Adobe's Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to remove corrupted or incomplete installations. Clears out leftover files that could cause installation errors. Step 4. Update your OS. Keep your operating system up to date to avoid incompatibilities. Check for system updates and apply them before retrying the installation. Need more help? Call us. Contact information. If you're still facing issues with exit code 6 or exit code 7, we provide expert assistance by phone. While we are not affiliated with Adobe, we offer professional support for Adobe Photoshop.